family,
οικογένεια,
parents,
γονείς,
mother,
μητέρα,
father,
πατέρας,
child,
παιδί,
children,
παιδιά,
son,
γιος,
daughter,
κόρη,
brother,
αδελφός,
sister,
αδελφή,
siblings,
αδέλφια,
husband,
άντρας,
wife,
γυναίκα,
spouse,
σύζυγος,
grandfather,
παππούς,
grandmother,
γιαγιά,
great-grandfather,
προπάπους,
great-grandmother,
προγιαγιά,
grandson,
εγγονός,
granddaughter,
εγγονή,
uncle,
θείος,
aunt,
θεία,
nephew,
ανιψιός,
niece,
ανιψιά,
cousin,
ξάδερφος,
relatives,
συγγενής,
son-in-law,
γαμπρός,
daughter-in-law,
νύφη,
father-in-law,
πεθερός,
mother-in-law,
πεθερά,
adoptive parents,
θετοί γονείς,
adopted child,
θετό παιδί,
stepfather,
πατριός,
stepmother,
μητριά,
stepson,
θετός γιος,
stepdaughter,
θετή κόρη,